Tropical storm Gordon.
Hurricane Gordon, state of emergency, activated the National Guard. Storm that is expected to become a hurricane.
The storm is expected to make landfall late Tuesday. 8 million people are in the direct path of tropical storm Gordon, which...
Went to parking garage. Alright, so now I'm gonna walk out here. What if I just jack this bus? Is that a bus? Is that considered a bus? I don't know. What would you call this? Has full seats. What is like the official name of this? Is it a bus? Tram? Tram. That's what it is. Okay. That's what I needed to know. Alright. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. That sand hurt. The sand felt like
I need a shower.
Like a bunch of needles just like going into your skin. And now, yeah, I feel like I need a shower. This is the aftermath of us being out in Hurricane Gordon, who's now approaching shore. I look like a hot mess. I'm gonna need a shower. You know, I'm covered in sand and water from who knows where. So, peace. When there's a hurricane, first you have a hurricane party. Second, you go outside and you play in it. Lots of debris here, lots of it. Trying to avoid it. There's just stuff falling everywhere, left and right. Can't hardly get through the sidewalk at all. Look at, okay, hold on. Let's just pause for a second. Look how gigantic those aloe plants are. Like, they're huge. They're gigantic. That's, okay. Just had to point that out for a second. So, that's not aloe at all. And I'm clearly a dumbass for thinking that it was aloe. So disregard all of that. I just want to get on here and tell you guys that I'm having the best time of my life here. I mean, I'm at Portofino Resort. This is a place I've been coming to for a long time, and I just, when I add up all of our vacations that we've had here together, this by far has been the best one. I just so thankful for all this sunshine, and just getting to be able to go to the beach and actually just sit at the beach and enjoy the beach and just take in the sun, take in those UV rays, get tan, get sunburns. And I'm just really thankful for like the water being as calm as it is. There's been a few times where I've gotten here and the water's been kind of wild and I just haven't been able to enjoy it, but the water's been so calm, and it's not calm enough to where there's no waves, but there's just the perfect amount of waves where if you want to go boogie boarding or not, you can. So I'm just like super thankful for all that, and I don't know, I was just feeling super thankful for this vacation and all that has offered to me, for me. And so I thought I'd just share these things with you guys. I don't think that there can be a vacation at the beach specifically that can beat this one. And it hasn't rained one time. The sun has been out, the clouds have parted. It's been joyous. You know, God has really done his best here. He said, you know, Chandler is gonna have the best Labor Day of her entire life. It's gonna be filled with sunshine and smiles and butterflies and sandy feet and salty air and waves. So yeah, I'm just feeling the love here today. Thought I'd let you guys in on that. Radiate that to you guys. So yeah, stay safe out there. Happy Labor Day. Just an update on our hurricane situation. The winds have picked up. This is insane. Like, this is crazy. And the tide is rising. I'm guaranteeing you by tomorrow morning, the tide is going to be over the street right here. Okay, I'm gonna yeah. Where the tide is right now is where we sat yesterday at the beach. And I guarantee you that it's going to be, from there, it's going to be over the road by tomorrow morning because this storm surge. A little bumpy. My ear hurts. I'm in the freaking rainforest. This ain't a joke. This is not a drill. Oh. Right, this is not a drill. This is not a drill. I gotta go. I'm gonna miss the tram. I made it.
And you didn't choke on your bacon.